Hello, I'm Adam, Asia Pacific Sales Director of Trust Markets. Trust Markets is a leading brokerage firm in the world with many investment products, including stocks, commodities, foreign currencies, and cryptocurrencies. Today, we will introduce a promising opportunity in Heineken stock. Heineken is a Dutch brewing company headquartered in Amsterdam. Heineken is the second largest beer producer worldwide. Heineken International owns a worldwide portfolio of more than 170 beer brands such as Heineken, Amstel, Tiger Beer, Zakota, Tromgau, and Dos Equis as example. Heineken's fourth quarter and fiscal year 2023 business result in beer industry, the giant Heineken has achieved revenues of 30.3 billion euros with a core operating profit of 4.4 billion euros, a profit margin of 14.7%. Heineken's business strategy of pursuing higher price and increased profit margins is based on premiumization. That means drinks with a more sophisticated brand image can justify higher prices and therefore bigger margin. Morningstar analyst Philip Gorham expected inflation-driven price increases to ease in the fourth quarter of 2023, supporting pick-up volumes that would result in volume stabilization in 2024 and low single-digit growth in 2025. Heineken's current price is €90 per share. Through Trust Markets, which supports leverage for investors at 1 to 20, you only need to spend €4.5 capital to hold one share. On April 29th, this group will pay dividend to investors of €1.04 per share. With the above evaluated data, it is estimated that this stock code will also grow to the price range of €95 per share in the near future. Only 4 more sessions left for investors to hold the stock before dividends payment this quarter. With only a capital of $20,000, investors can hold 2,000 Heineken shares and receive €2,080 in dividends, not including price gross profits. Wishing you a successful investment. See you at the next sharing session.